Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the How Pinterest Sees Me trend. So this is the latest ongoing trend right now on social media platforms where you search for certain categories on Pinterest and the first image that appears on the search results is how Pinterest sees you. You can save the images and make a collage accordingly and upload it on your social media platform. So first of all, open Pinterest and then simply go to Search at the bottom of your screen. Now let me tap on Search. Now simply go to the search bar and search for one of the categories from the trend. So for instance, I search for animal and the first image that appears on the search results, which is this image, is how Pinterest sees me under this category. Now simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of this image and then tap on Download Image. Now let's go back and search for another category under this trend, which is, let's say, furniture. Here we go. Now this is the first image that is on the search results. Now simply download this image by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen as well. So under this furniture's category is how Pinterest sees me. Now let's download the image. Now let's go back and again search for another category under the trend, which is aesthetic. Okay, here we go. So this is the first image on my search results. Let's tap open this image. So that's how Pinterest sees me under this category. Now let's download this image as well. Here we go. Now you can search for other various categories by following these easy steps. You can save the images and make a collage through CapCut application or any other application on your mobile device and follow how Pinterest sees me trend. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.